Hi everyone, today I have brought some very simple equation that whenever we have any number, variable or constant whose power is 0, that will be equal to 1. For example, if we have x power 0, then it will be equal to 1, and same will be applied on if we change the base, for example, as a constant a the power 0, that will be equal to 1. If there is a number, any number, you can use that as well. For example, 9 power 0 equal to 1. Now we're gonna understand that how the number, variable, constant whose power is 0 will be equal to 1. Let's take the first example. For example, we have x power 0. Now what does 0 mean? We know that 0, if we just subtract to same number, we just receive the result as a 0. For example, 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0, or 7 minus 7 equals 0, or anything which is same number. With addition and subtraction, we get the answer as 0. Now if we just apply that same procedure, just changing that 0 with same number, for example x power 1 and minus 1, that will be equal to x power 1 and minus 1. And we know that whenever we have any variable where there is two power which be in the shape of addition or subtraction, for example we have x power a plus b, then that will be equal to x power a multiply by x power b. Now if we change the plus sign with minus sign, that we get a minus b equal to x power a and x power, what I am doing I don't know. Only to change x power a multiplied by x power minus b. And we know that any variable where the power is minus, then we can write like x minus b is equal to 1 over x power b. The minus sign, the power which is in minus, it goes to in denominator. Now we have that shape. Applying that same procedure, for example that one in here, then we will get something like this one. For example x power 1, which is multiplied by x power minus 1. Now we will get x power 1. Now that x power minus 1 is minus 1, that it will go to denominator, for example 1 over x power 1. Now they two are same variables, therefore it will be cut down and the remaining will be equal to x power. There is no x power, just 1 remained over here. Now we got the result that whenever the power of x is equal to 0, that will be equal to 1, and that is the procedure over here where we just solve it. Now changing that same variable with any number, for example that 9 power 0 which is equal to 1, then solving that equation, we will easily solve with same procedure. For example 9 power 0, which means 1 minus 1, which is equal to 9 power 1 multiplied by 9 power minus 1, 9. Now 9 power 1 will be 9 multiplied by minus 9 minus 1, that will be 9 power minus 1, that will be 1 over 9, and 9 and 1 over 9 will be cut down, and we will get the answer as 1. Now same will be applied with any constant which is a power not is equal to 1, or anything whose power is 0 will be equal to 1. I hope you got the concept and you understand that it is very easy procedure, but most of the student may get confused that how the power of anything which is equal to 0 is equal to 1. They just thought at first glance that it may be equal to 0, but that is not the correct answer, and we solved that the power of any variable, constant or number will be 0 is equal to 1. Thank you for your watching.